Repeat after me, and let's make your English sound natural today. Seriously, if you struggle to speak because you don't know what words to say, this video is going to help you right now. Just follow my voice, repeat with me, and you'll feel your English getting smoother in minutes. Ready? Let's start. You know what happened this morning? I was ordering my usual iced coffee, and the barista asked me a simple question, but for some reason, my brain froze for half a second. She said, "Do you want sweetened or unsweetened?" And even though I'm a native speaker, my mind just went blank for a moment. I literally stood there like, yes? We both laughed, and she said, "Wow, even natives have those moments?" And I told her the truth. Yep, sometimes your mouth just needs a second to catch up with your brain. And that's why shadowing is powerful. It makes your mouth faster, your responses quicker, and your English natural. So today, we're going to train exactly that. Before we jump into natural conversation, let's warm up your mouth and your brain. These are short, simple phrases. Just repeat with me, no pressure, no perfect pronunciation needed. I'm here. I'm ready. Let's practice. Nice and easy. One step at a time. Short rhythm phrases. Yes, I do. No, I don't. I think so. I'm not sure. Let's see. Confidence boosters. I can do this. I'm improving. I'm getting better. Now we'll practice simple everyday phrases, the kind you actually say in real conversations. Repeat with me in a calm rhythm. Don't think too much, just flow. Hey, how's it going? Not bad, just a busy day. What about you? Give me 1 second. Let me check. Here you go. I'm on my way. I'll be there soon. Don't worry about it. That's a good question. I didn't think about that. Let me see. Sounds good to me. Yeah, that works. Let's do it. Now let's move into a short, natural conversation. Just follow my voice, repeat after each line, and feel the rhythm of a real exchange. Now let's move into a short, natural conversation. Just follow my voice, repeat after each line, and feel the rhythm of a real exchange. Hey, are you free later? Maybe. What's up? I'm getting coffee. Want to join me? Yeah, that sounds nice. Cool. What time works for you? Anytime after 3. Perfect. I'll text you. All right, see you later. In this part, we'll practice short flows, little routines that sound natural in everyday English. Don't stop between phrases. Just follow the rhythm and let the words move. Okay, let me think. I need to get ready. I'm looking for my keys. Found them, let's go. Hey, just checking in. How are things? Everything good? All right, cool. Oh, really? No way. That's interesting. Tell me more. I'm heading out now. I'll be back soon. Text me if you need anything. All right, talk later. These are quick little tips to help you sound more natural every time you practice shadowing. Luna tip number 1. Don't fight the rhythm. English has a natural beat. If you try to sound perfect, you lose the rhythm. If you relax, your voice floats. Luna tip number 2. Use tiny reactions. Natural English is full of small sounds, like, oh, wow, okay, right. These little reactions make you sound more human, not like a textbook. Luna tip number 3. Keep your sentences short. You don't need long, fancy sentences to sound natural. Short ones are easier, cleaner, and more real. Luna tip number 4. Don't pause in fear, pause in rhythm. A small pause is okay, just make it a confident pause. Breathe, then continue. Luna tip number 5. Repeat even when you think you already know it. Shadowing is muscle memory. If you repeat the easy stuff, the hard stuff becomes easier too. All right, we're wrapping up for today. You did great. Seriously, you showed up, you repeated with me, and you kept the rhythm. Remember, natural English doesn't come from thinking too much. It comes from showing up, practicing a little bit, and letting your voice get comfortable. If you liked today's shadowing routine, come back tomorrow. We're building your English slowly, gently, but very consistently. Drink some water, rest your voice, and be proud of yourself. You're getting better, even if you don't notice it yet. All right, friend, I'll see you in the next episode.